Hi Ray, just a quick explanation on this. So at the moment, if I refresh the page, so we've got the order here, and that number increases. So I would have to put, from my understanding, 1, 2. If I wanted to swap these two, I would put 3 and then 4. What about if, just like these arrows here, maybe like up and down, and when you click up or down, let's say I clicked down, then this bar here moved down to this position, and this bar here moved up to this position. So basically it's a graphical way of ordering these, and a little bit simpler than adding numbers. Just basically, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Click up arrow on this one, I could move that one to here, and then this one would automatically move down. Hopefully that makes sense. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.